What is up, guys? It's Andrew. Welcome to another video. Today we're taking a look at the brand new 2018 iPhones that haven't been announced, but they will be announced in about a month at the beginning of September. So what we're gonna do, since we're a month away, there should be a lot of rumors that we should look at, and we're gonna get started, right? Our first source that I'm gonna be looking at is Mac Rumors, where they gather all of the rumors together. So we're gonna try this. And it was last updated 20 hours ago. Whoop. Yeah, so coming in 2018, Apple's 3 iPhone lineup. Let's see, what is there? Apple is planning on adding 3 new iPhones. Yeah, we know that. Well, you guys probably don't because I read this every day. But since we're compiling this into one big rumor video, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Number 1 is the naming. That's what everyone has been wondering, because we already know that there are going to be 3 sizes: a 5.8, which is the successor to the iPhone X from last year. Then you have the 6.1 budget end model. Then you have the 6.5 larger iPhone. So right here it says I'm just going to call them 2018 iPhones, but actually I don't know what I'm going to call them now, because I'm already calling them 2018 iPhones. So, yeah. I think, in my personal opinion, the easiest naming scheme would be the iPhone X for the new iPhone X to replace the old one, and iPhone X Plus, which is a 6.5 inch, and then probably an iPhone, like just called iPhone, because that's going to be like the 6.1 inch iPhone. So you have the iPhone, in size-wise, you have the iPhone X, the iPhone, then you have the iPhone X Plus. And so the 5.8 and the 6.5 inch iPhones will be OLED, so that's going to be great. Like, you can tap, they're blacker blacks. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. The larger 6.5 inch iPhone will have a offer a higher screen resolution, which is 480 to 500 pixels per inch. I don't even know what that means, so I don't think that's gonna be needed. And the 2018 iPhones could potentially use Gorilla Glass 6. That was just announced. I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, and those, it can withstand multiple drops, and it's more durable, so it's great for me because I like to throw my phone a lot on accident. So yeah, and then the LG displays, blah 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 blah. Yeah, there's gonna be a new gold color option. Someone said that the 6.5 inch iPhone would have a triple lens camera. I think that's going to be for next year, because the technology is not going to be available they need to perfect a 6.5 inch giant, it's like ginormous iPhone. It's like the size of an iPad mini. So don't buy an iPad mini, just buy the brand new iPhone, even though it's costs 3 times as much. But still, the triple lens iPhone is probably going to be for the 2019 iPhones. So yeah, let's not hope for that. I'm not going to get it anyways. The next generation 5.8 inch iPhone will reportedly use the same size with a larger rear camera and a larger battery for the 6.5 inch iPhone, obviously, because it is bigger. And the larger 6.5 inch OLED iPhone will adopt an iPad-style landscape that displays additional information and stocks apps like calendar and contacts. So, like what you see here. This is a great picture. And I'm gonna zoom in. There we go. There. It's more of an iPad style. Like, you have the iPhone X right here, but you have the iPhone X Plus right here, so you see more of your stuff, more content. And it's gonna be great when watching video too. Too bad I'm not getting it. Okay, this is what we're here for. The 6.1-inch iPhone with LCD display, which is probably going to be the one that everyone is going to get because it's so cheap. And Minchi-ko said that Apple would introduce a low-cost LCD iPhone, believes the device will feature a display of 320 to 330 pixels per inch and a price tag that comes in at $700 to $800. So they're probably going to, it says that they're going to be using full active LCDs, which match or exceed some of the benefits of an OLED display at a lower cost. I need to get rid of this email. Yeah, so that's going to be awesome. And I need to that one too. Stop. Get away. I don't need you, mail. I don't need you. And then OLED displays traditionally offer sharper contrast and brighter colors, but if Apple decides to use full active LCDs, then they're almost on par with the OLED iPhones, which is awesome. 6-inch displays, boop, 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 plop, plop, plop. What else is there? Okay, so a new touch panel is more expensive, resulting in higher purchase price. So which means they're getting rid of 3D touch because that's expensive. No 3D touch. I use that thing every day. The 6.1-inch iPhone will not include space-saving technology like a stacked logic board. I'm fine with that. Traditional batteries, but most people are saying that, like the dummies that you've been seeing on all over Twitter, it's gonna have a glass back for wireless charging, so you can use air power. There's gonna be new colors. Okay, so Minchi-ko said that Apple is considering gray, which is your space gray, your white, which is your silver, a blue, a red, and an orange, and then you have the two OLED iPhones, which are going to be silver, space gray, and gold. The 6.1-inch LCD would be priced at $649 to $749, and then the other ones would be from $899 for the smaller one, and then $999. Ooh, these are some display leaks. Display leaks. Yeah, so here's some of the displays. So you notice how the 6.5-inch iPhone over here has a thinner bezel, but it's actually the same as the 5.8 one. And then this is a 6.1-inch iPhone, which has a thicker bezel, but actually the bezel is the same size as this year's iPhone, as the 2017 iPhone 10. So the 2018 iPhone 10 has thinner bezels, and the 6.5-inch one looks thinner, but it's the same thing actually, because it's bigger. And then this is, I don't know, what is this? A glass back? Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, it's like the display thing. There's a flex cable. That's the same. That's like what's used in the iPhone 10. So like this. There's the displays. Here are some leaked renders. Ooh, that looks so good. And then you see how the 6.1-inch iPhone has a thicker bezel. I'm actually fine with that because my 7 Plus has an extremely enormous bezel. I like to get rid of that. The 6.1-inch iPhone has a single rear lens camera, but it's going to be larger than what the iPhone 8 has right now, so it's going to be better. So probably a wider aperture. Here we go. All 3 colors. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm definitely getting the space gray. There's a video. Huh. Okay, moving on. There are some dummy models right here. We're gonna take a look at these. They look the same. That's a that looks like jet black though. Like this 6.1-inch iPhone right here, it looks like jet black, which is fine. I mean, it's gonna be really smudgy, but if there's wireless charging, then I'm fine with it. Yeah. Here's another video. Yeah, it's gonna have an aluminum band instead of the stainless steel one. But if they do add stainless steel, it's gonna be so much more premium. And then they're all gonna have Face ID, which is great, which hopefully means if there's not portrait mode on the back, at least they have portrait mode on the front, because I absolutely love portrait selfies. So if there's not on the back, I'm fine with it, but it has to be on the front. Okay, so those are the rumors for the 2018 iPhones. I actually can't wait to get my hands on like a dummy. I'm probably gonna spend money on getting the 6.1 inch iPhone one, and I'm hopefully gonna try and win one from Jonathan Morrison from TLD, and hopefully I can have those two to show you guys. But until September, that's when we're gonna see the real versions, and I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there are more like big leaks and rumors, then I'll probably make another one. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below what other videos I should make next, including cooking videos. Yes, those are coming back, and I'll catch you in the next one.